flowers. How many of you wake up one day and feel a creative block and you feel like doing nothing about it and sit and wait for an inspiration? But that's not the way I would go about that. I woke up today and I don't feel inspired at all, but instead of sitting there and waiting for an inspiration to come from somewhere, I'm gonna do something about it. So follow my lead, and I promise by the end of this video you will have a fully finished pattern illustration that you can then print on paper, wallpaper, or anything else. So trust me, just follow my lead. This is a very simple, I call it warming up exercise, but actually I love it because it helps me to develop patterns. And my patterns are mainly inspired by nature and florals, and I love botanical patterns, and that's why the exercise we're going to be doing today helps you not just to warm up and do something else, but actually develop a pattern. Most of the things you need for today's video you already have at home. It's that simple, I promise. So the most important thing is to have a few flowers, and this is an old bouquet of flowers I bought a week ago from Sainsbury's, and that's what I'm using today. Then I will need masking tape, which is quite easy to find as well in any supermarket or B&Q, for example, in UK. A pair of scissors, and then you need a camera or even your phone just to take a few pictures before you start sketching. This is the area I'm going to work with. I don't have to think about anything else. Just imagine this is going to be a future snapshot of your pattern, and that's what we're going to work with today. Now I'm working with some old flowers that I had around the house for a week. They're not going to look that fresh, but at least I'm not completely wasting a new bouquet of flowers for doing that. So what we are going to need today is, I recommend to have more than one of each flower or a leaf that you're working with, and preferably if they're quite small, because it's just easier to work with smaller flowers. But for this particular video, I only have available quite big flowers, but that's fine. That's going to be my challenge. So I have two of these. I managed to get 3 of this slightly longer flowers. I have 1 lily, and I have a few other flowers just here, and then they also come in 2s. And then I've got 2 green leaves here, so I can play with them with the composition. And then I have those leaves which are quite light. They're so nice to touch. They're a little bit plasticky, but they're very sturdy and they're beautiful. So, and the color is actually quite nice as well. And it's you can't see this color already here. So this is why I'm using it. Once you're done mapping your future composition for your pattern, what I would recommend is to take, let's say, that flower, and take a few pictures of each flower individually. So then when it comes to digitalize this material and then you will start sketching, you might appreciate that the angle that looks nice on a flat image might not be nice to might not be a good example for sketching. So if you take a few pictures of the flower from different perspectives, that might help you in the future. Last but not the least is to sketch your design, and I do it digitally. I prefer to do it on my iPad with the help of Apple Pencil, but you can always print your pictures and trace them, or use pencil, any type of media that you prefer to work with. I'm using iPad, and I prefer to sketch in Adobe Fresco or Procreate. It's totally up to you. So this is it, guys. All I've got to do now is take my pencil, sketch all of the elements, and then finish it as a repeat pattern. And this is pretty much it. So as promised, by the end of this video you have a completely ready repeat pattern. And let me know, I can post a few of this, and please share with me if you've done any illustrations or you love this video, and just let me know. I would love to hear from you. Thank you.